In this video, I'll show you how to add money to a Charles Schwab Roth IRA step by step, directly from your linked bank account. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, open the Charles Schwab website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look at the top menu bar and click on the option labeled Move Money. From the drop-down menu, select Transfer and Payments to continue. On the next screen, choose the option for Online Transfers. If you haven't already linked a bank account to your Charles Schwab profile, you'll see an option to add an external account. Click on that option and follow the on-screen instructions to link your bank account. This usually involves entering your bank details. You can move on to adding money to your Roth IRA. After your bank account is connected, select the cash-only option. Then, under the From section, click Select Account and choose the bank account you want to transfer money from. This will be the bank account that's linked to your Charles Schwab account. Next, move to the To section and click Select Account again. From the list of available accounts, choose your Charles Schwab Roth IRA. Once selected, additional fields will appear where you can set up your contribution details. Here, you'll choose the contribution year, enter the amount of money you want to add, select how often you want the transfer to happen if applicable, and choose the transfer date. Take your time filling in these details to make sure everything is correct. When you're finished, click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. You'll be taken to a review page where you can double-check all the transfer information, including the bank account, the Roth IRA account, and the contribution amount. If everything looks good, click Submit to finalize the transfer. Once submitted, the money will be added to your Charles Schwab Roth IRA according to the transfer details you selected. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.